Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account and connection. This saves time later. Check that the Apple ID signed into Apple Music matches iCloud, and make sure your subscription is active and region settings align. If payment or billing blocks exist, resolve them now. Once done, force quit the music app and restart your device to clear transient glitches. Then test playback on Wi-Fi and cellular to see if the issue is network related. These steps remove the most common blockers before deeper fixes. Next, you refresh the library and sync state because many problems come from corrupted sync tokens or cached metadata. Turn sync library off, wait 10 to 20 seconds, then turn it back on to force a reindex. If that fails, sign out of your Apple ID from settings, reboot the device, and sign back in to renew credentials. Make sure iOS and the Music app are up to date. Finally, remove any problematic offline downloads and re-download them so you have clean files and metadata. For final remedies, you perform deeper resets and, if needed, a restore. Reset network settings to clear DNS or proxy problems, and test Apple Music on another device to rule out hardware faults. If corruption persists, restore from a recent backup or perform a clean iOS install. This removes persistent system-level corruption. Make sure to sync important data first. If none of this works, contact Apple support and provide diagnostics logs and exact error messages. That helps engineers identify and resolve edge cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.